at each day, there should be a portion of your time that you pull yourself out of the routine in a self-aware method. And I think this could be the way you do it, is asking
those questions.
one of these questions. Have it on a whiteboard. Have it on your quartet. We talk about that all the time. Have it on a sticky note. Have it on your computer as a reminder. I have it as a reminder. It pops up about halfway through the day as I know I'm starting to like, la, 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 la. And it says, what's the most important thing to do that you can focus on to increase your revenue? Because my revenue drives everything for me. Freedom.
Oh, these are these aren't the 9 a.m. or 8 a.m. questions.
No,
these are the 3 p.m. questions.
Yes. I'm refocusing myself. In the morning, I'm jacked up. I run up the hill to my office.
Oh, same. Yeah.
I am ready to go, man.
I already know what I'm going to do.
I look at my calendar before I go to bed and I'm thinking about stuff, and I look in the morning and I'm like, okay, I got to get up here. But, lunchtime, after lunch, man, I'm like, okay. Then that reminder pops right up.
That's really smart.
Pulls me out, gets me thinking, okay, before I go, I need to record some more content. I need to do some posts because I schedule a lot of my posts on social. Sure. I need to do this. Oh, I need to go look at analytics on Instagram. What's working? What's not? How do I do this? And I write it down and I go, okay. So it helps me. But I think the question is the most important part. And it can be anything you want. But
it's that 3 p.m. or 2 p.m. refocusing question, whatever your time of day is, where you start to maybe I'm just floating now until quitting time or whatever that is.
I work after dinner usually every night, except maybe one night a week when I have my mom over. But
sure,
as I'm sitting there having dinner, I'm looking, I'm like, oh, this is pretty comfortable. I hit myself with, I'm like, you know what? In 2 hours from 6 to 8, I could get a lot done.
Yep.
And you know what? There's not a lot of other people working 6 to 8. I used to say that about 10 to midnight. It's a trick. It
doesn't matter. Right.
It doesn't matter. So I go up and it's like, okay, I'm going back up for 2 hours. And then I come back down. So the question is really important. And I would love to know your quote. What do you ask yourself? Or maybe you're not asking yourself enough. But, if you think this has something to it, share the question with us, feedback@businessbrain.show, so we can share it with other people. We'd love to hear from you.
Feedback@businessbrain.show.